Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. So today, friends, we're going to be doing our Dollar Tree haul, as well as things I picked up from Burlington Coat Factory and also Ross. So you guys, I really want you to check this video out because we got some awesome tutorials ahead of you. The first thing that I want to share with you guys are these beautiful Rachel Ray plates that we picked up from the Dollar Tree. My husband I love that color. So you know if my husband like it, Tisha's going to get it. And you know when I go hauling, we go hauling, okay? So you know we just didn't get only 5 plates. So we have this beautiful color here. And you already know in this tutorial right there that we got these chargers right here on clearance from Hobby Lobby. Now we got these beautiful napkins which pairs up with this color so beautiful. We only got it for $1.50 at Hobby Lobby. Regular price $5.99. How can you beat that? And with this color, you guys, I'm going to show you all so many different ways on how you can coordinate this into your spring and summer centerpieces. And friends, we also got the blue plates as well. Don't ask me how many we have because I am not going to tell you guys because y'all not going to get on to Tisha. But this blue is so gorgeous, and I purposely placed this mug right here so you guys can see all the different colors that can go with this. Look at there. Beautiful. So you just don't have to stick with silver, or you just don't have to stick with gold. You can do green, yellow, pink. I mean, you guys, it's just endless, you know. And so that's why I want to do those future tutorials. And my mother-in-law, oh my goodness, she loves the color blue. It is so beautiful to her, and it's so beautiful on her as well. So I don't have to just use it just for, you know, an event, you know, with a client, client like a gender reveal. You can still use it for a gender reveal using the yellow and the green and stuff like that. It depends on how you're decorating it. I can use this for events with like my mom's birthday party, pastoral events and stuff like that. So I would get a lot of use out of this color. Here's some other items that we picked up from the Dollar Tree. We got this beautiful rope right here, this decorative rope, and it looks sort of like this twine that I picked up from Walmart, right? And this is what it looks like at night. That is so absolutely gorgeous. However, I never did a DIY, but I'm not going to do a DIY like that using this rope, and then I would not be using it to do a DIY with this one. This is very beautiful. I was looking at Melanie's channel, and she does the same thing. She does like wedding decor. She's actually in the industry as well, and she was sharing these, and these are very gorgeous if you're going to be doing a farmhouse look. I think this is very beautiful. Now, I was paying attention to, you guys know Tisha, I will pay attention to details, and I was paying attention and seeing that this has like some hot glue going all around it. It's not in the perfect condition. It's not in perfect condition. However, we're going to do a very glamorous DIY when it comes down to those there. Now, we also have some blue ones as well that matches the Rachel Ray plates. Now, I want to tell you guys this. Now, it can go with those plates. However, when you are doing centerpieces and you're using some of the things that are the exact same color, you don't want to overpower with that color. Let me give you an example. If you're doing like something that's bling, you do not want to overpower anything using bling decor because it can just look like it's too busy, it's too much. The same thing with colors. If you're going to use this, and we're going to use the Rachel Ray plates, you do want to add in some beautiful colors to it to just kind of keep the eye traveling, not everything looking overpowered. So it works the same as well as with colors. You don't want to overpower it. So therefore, that would not be going with those plates, but it will be used as another DIY for another project. And I think I did not mention this beautiful burlap ribbon that we will be using in a tutorial as well. So let's move along and let me show you some other items that we picked up from the Dollar Tree. Now, I wanted to share these bins with you guys. Well, I'm sorry, baskets. We call them bins down here in the South, okay? But I wanted to share these baskets with you guys because we're going to do a tutorial on these probably next week. And if your Dollar Tree has them, honey, you know how it works. You better to grab them, okay? It doesn't matter what color you're going to get. It absolutely does not matter. Now, I got these LED lights. I'm going to compare it to the fairy lights over here. I just want to see how they're going to do. Now, the sad thing is, now if I end up liking these lights and I go back, guess what? They probably would not have them. So, you know, it's crazy for me to get like one. So if anybody have used these and they have really lasted, please let me know down below so your girl can go back and get them while they still have them. Now, I know you guys have been seeing these on Dollar Tree. I mean, not on Dollar Tree, but on the YouTube like crazy. Like, people have been doing like some beautiful DIYs. Now, the tutorial that we're going to do, I have not seen anyone do them yet. I'm going to say yet because great minds think alike. Like one of my YT sisters said. Great minds do think alike. So I have not seen anyone do it yet. However, it's going to be very gorgeous and it doesn't matter, again, what color you end up getting. Over at Ross, we picked up these beautiful placemats. These are so gorgeous. I think I'm going to use this in the fall time. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And the price was a little pricey, $7.99. I'm still thinking about that one. I'm not too sure. But it is beautiful and I do like it. And like I said before, I picked this up from Ross. Friends, now if you don't know anything else about me, you guys know I love my husband. I love God. I'm passionate about God. I love my children, my family. I'm passionate about my career. But it's one thing that I just so love. Y'all know I'm being like real dramatic. I really am. I love bunny rabbits. I do. I love bunny rabbits and pillows. And they got the bunny rabbit on the pillow, guys. The bunny rabbit on the pillow. Look at this. With my colors on it. Look at there. Look how it blends in with the decor. Oh, my goodness. Who could ask for more? This is so beautiful. And I did not have a chance to do any type of, you know, decoration for, you know, this past resurrection time, or I had to get ready for all the Passover thing, but I didn't have time to do any decor around the house or anything. And then last year, you guys know I was absent from YouTube and social media for 6 months because of the surgeries and everything, so I didn't have a chance to do like none of this stuff. But at least I got some things, and hopefully I'll be able to like do some inspirational decoration next year for you guys. But I did get it from Burlington Coat Factory, because you know that's where I be getting my pillows from, for $3.99. So hopefully you guys can see that. We got 2 of these, and I'm going back to get some more items for next year, because you do know I shop when this stuff is like, not while it's going on, but after everything, to get it on clearance. So this is just so cute, and I want to end it out with my bunny. So you guys have a beautiful week, and I thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia, and you guys have a blessed and awesome one. You guys will see me in the next one. Blessings. Bye-bye. So if you like what you're seeing today and you would like to see more tutorials like this, go ahead on and click that face down there. I would love to have you over here on our team. Once you do that and you click my face, you're going to turn on your bell ringer, so every time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. All right, friends, catch you in the next one. Blessings.